And look at the pretty trees. That one's half naked, but or part naked. So pretty. Out in the park with Harper. There's a Harper. Surprised nobody's outside today. and it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and it is November 5th. So this is day 2. I did almost everything yesterday. All I have to do is vacuum. I have to do some laundry, take down Halloween decorations. I was trying to do all of that yesterday too, but by the time I was done with everything else, it was like around 8 o'clock at night. I was exhausted. So we're gonna do all of that today, but all my bathroom and everything else is done. I just need to get my room is all done and it looks super bare without all my decorations. The only thing I didn't do is this stuff over here, just because that's my mom's stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna let her deal with that. This is what my vanity is looking like, all nice and clean and organized. but it never stays that way. And my bathroom is pretty clean, pretty nice and clean. I love it. But I'm gonna redecorate my bathroom somehow. I don't know. Let me know in the comments any ideas that you guys may have. And we are all done with everything that we had to do. Also, I cannot believe 2025 is just around the corner. That is just crazy to me. And it's already about to be winter. I feel like summer just started. It's just crazy how time flew by. But let me know in the comments down below what your winter reset routine looks like, or your New Year's resolutions that is for next year. Also, if you made it this far, comment this emoji in the comment section as well. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to become my other social medias. All of them will be listed down below. And I will talk to you guys later.